Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when it is cold outside, there's nothing better than a nice warm drink.
And on those cold, rainy days, the Aigostar electric tea kettle really delivered for me. But it's so easy to open and fill it up with water. It has a minimum of 0.5 liters to a max of 1.5 liters. I think it's beautiful how it lights up, and look how quick it heats up. Within minutes, it is already starting to boil, giving you time to prep your specialty tea. I just love how cozy it is when the steam starts coming up. Really gets me excited to sit down and drink this tea. The base is very easy and simple. It allows you to coil up some of the cord so that you don't have to have as much cord showing when it's plugged in. And it will go until it boils. I appreciated that it's not going to get overly hot because once it hits that boiling point, it will actually shut off automatically. If you have just a few minutes in the morning, you still have time to have that yummy, cozy tea or coffee, whatever your preference is, on the go, or if it's a snowy day, to just hang out and cozy on the couch. I also love it because my hot water takes so long to get going in the faucet, so I love the option just to be able to boil it and pour it in with the water already rushing through and quickly be able to wash my dishes with warm water. I was so amazed with the quality and the beauty and just the ease that this now allows me to have my warm drinks this winter.
No matter how cold it gets outside, it was so great having this by our side whenever we wanted a nice warm drink. And that's my point of view.